Hello everybody, this is Ivan Cooking Adventures. Today I will show you how to build a simple and delicious homemade nachos with, of course, the freshest ingredients. To prepare the nachos, first I fried some corn tortillas and made it into triangles so they can look like chips. I have here also some fresh Pico De Gallo, and I also made some minced beef with corn seasoned well with salt and pepper, cumin, chili powder, cayenne pepper, garlic, and onions. We will also add some cheddar cheese, serrano peppers for the heat, and of course some fresh guac. To start building the nachos, add a layer of corn tortilla on a plate as a base, then add the cheese and the beef, and then repeat the process 2 more times. Once you have added the cheese and the beef, it is time to put it in the preheated oven so the cheese can melt. Look how tasty it looks after the cheese has melted on top. Now it is time to add the additional toppings on top of your nachos. The Pico De Gallo, the guacamole, the Serrano Pepper for the heat. And also, if you want, you can add on top some white crema to make it look more appealing. I hope you have enjoyed this wonderful comfort food recipe, and if you want to see more and don't want to miss any of our recipes, just subscribe to our channel and enjoy it. We also have an Instagram page, which is Ivan Cooking Adventures. There we post a lot of our daily recipes and pictures of all of the things that we do.